Hey guys, Javen here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I cut my own bangs, aka hair fringe. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notification to never miss a brand new video again. So to start off, I'm just using my wall scissors. I'm not going to use the hair clippers. Right now, I'm just filling up my water sprayer. I'm going to use it so it's easier for me to cut my hair when my hair is a little bit damp. I'm just going to damp my hair a little bit with some water. Comb it down to see exactly how long my hair is. Just switching up my comb here to comb thinner hair. And as you can see, my hair is above my eyebrows, so over my eyebrows. Now the reason I'm doing this today is just to show you guys how easy it is to do this at home, and you don't have to go to the barber and spend money that way. So all I'm going to be using for this tutorial is my comb and my scissors, that's it. So for the comb, what I'm doing is combing my hair downwards like this, and then using the scissors to cut like that. I'm cutting a straight line like this, but in a kind of like a U shape. So the middle of my bangs will be the longest, and as it goes to the side of my head, then it'll be shorter. So think of a U shape when you cut your bangs. So after showering, you will find your hair looking kind of like a bow because it's really straight. But don't worry guys, because we'll be using the blow dryer in a minute. So here, I'm just blow drying my hair in the cool setting. I don't want to use too much heat because that will damage my hair. If you want to use the blow dryer in the hot setting, then maybe use some heat protectant to protect your hair. If you don't do this, your hair follicles might dry out really fast and you don't really want that. So once again, I'm showing you how I cut my hair bangs, aka fringe. I'm just starting from the middle and then going to the sides like a U shape. That's why you see that my hair bangs is really straight. However, when you put on hair products, your hair will look way cooler. This time, I just decided to cut my hair bangs just above my eyebrows so my hair doesn't go into my eyes and like blind me. Since this is a 2-block haircut, I tried to match the side and back of my hair to the same length as the front of my hair. If any of my hair seems out of place, apologies in advance because I've been cutting my hair for the last few months. So over here, I show you the sides of my hair. I basically only gave myself a haircut a week before, that's why it's still short. Ever since cutting my own hair, I can honestly say that I'm much happier on how I look because I'm able to customize my own hair exactly the way I want it. It has also given me a lot of freedom to exactly when I want to cut my hair. I don't have to follow the barber schedule, I just follow my own. Hope you guys found this video informative. If you like it, be sure to let me know down in the comments below and check back next time.